Hello there, or good afternoon. Right, this afternoon I'm going to create an autumn planter, and we're going to use a vintage container. This is a bread tin. I think it's about 1930s, 1920s. So first of all, I have put drainage holes. Hello, can you see me? So I have put drainage holes, but also to because we don't need to fill it up totally with the soil, so I also have extra drainage, polystyrene, and also it will fill up the container a bit. As I said, we don't need a whole bread tin with soil. So today it's autumn planter. My ingredients, I have, start off with the skimmia, an evergreen shrub. Oops, okay, chucking the soil everywhere. Oh, now I'm dropping it. We have a skimmia, an evergreen shrub. And we have Erica, lovely heather. Can you see that? We have panetta berries. Now this is the sign of autumn, isn't it, when we come across the berries? But bitter boldness, the cyclamen. Something traily on the side to soften the edge. She's standard ivy. Right, now most of these plants require or prefer ericaceous soil. So that's what the soil I'm using today. Okay, so we've filled half that up. Oh, okay, glucose. As you can see, I'm quite a messy planter. Okay, so we have our soil in the container. Don't mind, I'm going to turn this around. So it's going to be front facing. Oh, look at the root system on that one. I'm just going to gently tease them out. Yeah, you see what I'm doing now? Gently does it. So, what's its best side? Front facing. Yep. We're going to put him at the back. Eventually, he will outgrow this container, so he'll have to go in a larger pot or in the border somewhere. So, the heather, my colour, and my bits of frou-frou fluffiness has been watered. Make sure you don't plant anything that is bone dry. Once again, this is quite a good solid root ball. I'm going to gently tease next to the skimmia. You need a bit more soil. Now this arrangement can sit nicely on the patio, or if you've got a wide window ledge. Sunny position, doesn't, this time of year it's quite dapple shade, isn't it? So I'll put it anyway. So nice panetta. Look at the colours on that. Now the birds might eat these. Well, that's good though. So I'm putting that on the edge too. Let me turn it around so you can actually see what I'm doing. Yeah. Now, with the boldness, look at that. rich colours. And then ivy. I think I might be able to squidge a pansy in here. Huh?
So, would you like a pen?
Oh yes, please.
What colour? Orange or...
Should we go clash? Let's
Okay.
go orange. Let's turn that round again. So, where I say the pansy, I think I can squidge a pansy just there. Oh, look at that. This is going to look really in your face. This is quite a low maintenance container as well. The only thing that you really will have to deadhead is your pansy regularly. So once that's a faded bloom, just cut off the stem down, and in a week or two, it will rebloom.
Hi, I'm looking for dog-friendly plants. I've got to get rid of a bunch of plants which has got new puppy. I'm going to get rid of a bunch of plants that are dangerous.
Okay.
So I'm wondering, you may not know, I mean I can Google, but
Oh no, yes.
do you know which ones?
Yeah, yeah.
Do you?
Yeah, do you want to point out what you like?